In this video, we are changing the gear oil in a Volvo Penta DPE outdrive. We will be using synthetic oil and replacing all the necessary seals. We begin by removing the two screws in the shift cover to gain access to the fill port. Removing this plug now will speed up draining the old gear oil. Using the correct hex key or hex socket, open up the fill port. With a drain pan or bucket in place, remove the drain plug. This is done with a large flat screwdriver, and sometimes a wrench is needed to add extra torque. When the oil begins to drain, check for water intrusion and check the magnetic drain plug for excessive metal shavings. If either of these problems are found, fix the problem before proceeding. Using a new drain plug O-ring, replace the drain plug. Make sure to tighten the plug fully to prevent any leaks. Next, put the outdrive in the down position. Remove the dipstick from the top of the drive. Now return the drive to the up position. Using the specified gear oil, fill the drive. The manual will contain both quantity and type of oil needed. Once the proper amount of oil has been filled into the drive, you can replace the fill plug. Make sure to use a new O-ring here as well. Just as a side note, this thread can easily be cross-threaded and then stripped. Additionally, do not over-tighten this plug. Make sure to clean up any spilled gear oil. Once again, lower the outdrive. We need to check that the gear oil is full. Hand thread the dipstick in and then remove. Make sure that the oil is between half to 3/4 up the flat area of the dipstick. In our case, we needed to add a little bit more gear oil. This can be done through the dipstick hole. If you overfill the drive, you can also remove fluid through this hole as well. Check the gear oil level one final time before reinstalling the dipstick with a new O-ring. Finally, reinstall the shift cover with the two Phillips head screws. The gear oil change is now complete.